Today we're all about starting your day strong with some mouth-watering breakfast ideas specifically designed to help you healthily gain weight. Let's face it, packing on some muscle and getting that healthy weight gain can be a challenge, but breakfast is a crucial time to set yourself up for success. The importance of breakfast. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but it's especially true when you're aiming for weight gain. It jumpstarts your metabolism, provides sustained energy throughout the morning, and helps you avoid unhealthy snacking later. Delicious and nutritious options. So, ditch the skim milk and skip the tiny portions. Today, we're showcasing some breakfast options that are not only delicious but also packed with the calories and nutrients your body needs to grow strong. Idea number 1, the muscle building smoothie. First up, we've got a protein powerhouse, the muscle building smoothie. This creamy concoction blends protein powder, fruits like bananas and mangoes for natural sugars, nut butter for healthy fats, and a splash of milk, dairy or plant-based, for extra creaminess. It's a delicious and convenient way to pack in protein and calories in the morning. Idea number 2, big and bold breakfast burrito. Next up, we have a breakfast burrito that's anything but boring. Scramble some eggs with cheese and chopped vegetables. Add in some lean protein like sausage or black beans, and top it all off with salsa, avocado, and sour cream. Wrap it all up in a whole wheat tortilla for a complete and satisfying breakfast on the go. This packs a serious calorie punch and keeps you feeling full for hours. Idea number 3, power pancakes with a protein twist. Who doesn't love pancakes? But let's give them a protein boost. Instead of regular flour, use a blend of whole wheat flour and oat flour. Add an egg or protein powder to the batter, and top them off with your favorite toppings like fruit, nuts, and even a drizzle of maple syrup. These protein-packed pancakes will keep you energized throughout the morning. Idea number 4, energizing overnight oats with a calorie boost. Overnight oats are a lifesaver for busy mornings, but let's make them even more calorie-dense. Use rolled oats as your base, but add in healthy fats like chia seeds, flax seeds, and nut butters. Sweeten it up with honey or maple syrup, and add some dried fruit for extra flavor and fiber. This overnight concoction will provide sustained energy throughout the morning. Idea number 5, the leftover remix, Gains Edition. Don't underestimate the power of leftovers for weight gain. Leftover roasted chicken or salmon can be shredded and added to scrambled eggs with cheese for a protein and calorie boost. Leftover sweet potato can be mashed and used as the base for protein pancakes. Get creative and repurpose those leftovers for a quick and delicious breakfast that packs a calorie punch. There you have it. 5 delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas specifically designed to help you with healthy weight gain. Pair these healthy breakfast options with a balanced diet throughout the day, and you'll be well on your way to reaching your weight gain goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas and tips. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite high-calorie breakfast meals are.